Do you want to know how you can start learning affiliate marketing for free and build it up to a business that potentially can generate hundreds of dollars per day? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael and I made money online with affiliate marketing for years, and in my opinion and experience it's one of the absolute best ways to start a real online business as a beginner, and the earning potential is huge and it can potentially lead to $100, $200, $500, $1,000 or more income per day if you do it right and keep going. And affiliate marketing is also what has given me the freedom to work completely on my own terms when and where I want to. And many have asked me for a free way to get started with affiliate marketing and a free course that can teach them the steps to get the best possible foundation. And in this video here I will share a free option that I have come across that I think is actually a really great start, but it does not mean it is for everyone, so please listen carefully to what I explain so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So the course I'm talking about is called Free Affiliate Marketing Course, and it is created by a guy called Dale, and I actually know him personally. I have met him in person many times, spent a lot of time with him. I know he is a successful affiliate marketer. He has earned a lot of commissions online and taught a lot of people how to earn commissions also. So I know that he is actually knowledgeable and really knows what he's talking about. So just wanted to make that clear also. This is not just some random guy that I don't really know. I actually know that he is focused on quality, and he has recently just spent a lot of time really updating this course here, this free affiliate marketing course, and I know that he also continuously updates it. And it will basically teach you how to become an affiliate marketer and earn commissions promoting projects you love, and about creating content about a topic you also love. And you can see he has a lot of more information about it here, exactly what affiliate marketing is. If you don't know that, I will leave a link also to this landing page below so you can go and check that out and also sign up if you decide it's for you. But please listen carefully to what I say first, because it is not necessarily for all. So let me now log in and then I'll show you what to get access to, explain more about what you can expect, who's for, who's not for. So let me just log in. So I am now logged in, and when you sign up, you get access to what's called this Fast Start training. And you can see there are currently, as I'm recording this video here, 12 different lessons. They are fairly short and easy to understand, but the thing about any course you take, whether it's free or paid or whatever it is, if you just watch it, it will not be enough. There will be tasks here and you need to take action to actually see results. And if that is something you know you can do, then this can give you a great foundation, a great understanding if you're a beginner and want to start a real online business. He explains the whole process, helps you choose the right niche. He even have this niche finder tool that is a free tool you get access to, and here to help you find the right topic for you, all about how you launch it. You can get access to a done for you website also that he's created for you, help you find keywords, AI also, tracking, earning with affiliate links, explain that whole process, how you can scale with videos, building email list, and all these different things. And all this training here is completely free. That gives you great knowledge about how to get started if you also take action, of course. There will be other tools if you decide to. You can decide to invest in, because you are running a business, so there will be some tools you might need access to. That is how it is when you're starting a business. A great thing about starting an online business is that the tools and things like that you need to get started is like minimal compared to what you would need to invest in a business in the physical world. But that is completely up to you. You can also just go through the course and use that knowledge to find out if affiliate marketing is even for you or not. But you get access to all this, and below each lesson you can actually also ask questions, but make sure you of course go through the material first. But as mentioned already, it's not necessarily for all, so let me talk a little bit more about who it's for and who it's not for. So the reason I say this is not necessarily for all is not that everyone cannot do it, because everyone can potentially actually learn affiliate marketing and use these steps that this course teaches to build a really strong foundation and then scale it into potentially really great affiliate income. But the reality is also, and I know this after working online for years, that many people are not actually able to take action. And if you're not able to take action, then this is not for you. This is not something where you can just spend 5 minutes and then the money will start rolling in. That's not how affiliate marketing works. What you'll get here is step by step how to build the foundation, but then you need to keep going. You need to make sure you take action. Affiliate marketing can be a really great income, but only if you're willing to put in continuously consistent effort over a longer period of time. It's not a get rich quick scheme, and that's very important to understand. But if you are willing to take action, take it serious, and if you're serious about wanting to create a real online business, then this definitely can be a great start and a free way to get a really strong foundation from someone who really knows what he's doing. But again, just to make it clear, it's only relevant if you're willing to take action, go through the material, do the tasks, and be willing to put in time, dedication, and effort. If this is for you, then I will leave a link below so then you can go and sign up and get started. And if you have any questions or anything also, then just ask in the comments below. I will personally make sure that you get a reply. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.